In order to rationalize and tidy your AutoCAD electrical drawings, there's often the requirement to align your schematic components on your schematic drawings. It's very, very easy to do. It's another one of those very quick and easy commands, and it works very well in AutoCAD Electrical. We're still in the Demo 13 project. We're in the schematic subfolder, and we're still in drawing Demo 02. Now, I've got a light here, which is light 105. LT105 is the component tag. I want to line this light in here with this one. So I want to bring this one to the left, but I want it to align exactly. All I do is I go up to the schematic tab on the ribbon, I go to the Edit Components panel and click on the flyout, and I've got Align there. I can align the selected components or wire numbers with the selected master. So if I click on Align now, the first prompt I get is you select the component to align with. Now you can align both horizontally and vertically. You'll notice down there on the command line in the little brackets that vertical is the default. Dynamic input is off at the moment. If I come down here and switch dynamic input on, you'll notice I get that prompt on the actual pick box. So I'm going to select this component here as my master, and then I get a line through the master and I select the object that I want to align, which is this light here. As soon as I click on it and press enter to confirm, it's aligned. Now you'll notice that my 102B wire number is a little bit cramped there. So what I might do there now is use Scoot and select that wire number there and just drag it along the wire. Now you'll notice I've got a problem. I've got a really tight little piece of wiring there now because I've moved that light along. I've aligned it. So how do I fix that? This does happen sometimes. Don't worry, just hit escape a couple of times to cancel that Scoot command. What you want to do there is add a leader to that wire number. So you come over here to Insert Wires, Wire Numbers, click on Wire Number Leader and select your wire number. And then just drag the leader down a bit, click, drag it across, click, enter to finish, and that's much, much neater. And then just hit escape or enter to finish one more time, otherwise it continues with the command. You'll notice I've done that over here with 103 and 104A. Those little leaders make all the difference and really tidy up your drawing, especially when you want to align components like that. Makes things much neater and much tidier. So when you're using your Align command in AutoCAD Electrical, make sure that you utilize some of the other editing tools for things like wire numbers, just to tidy up the drawing and make it look good. Now also, when it comes to Align, I can select a component, let's say this one here, and if I right click, I've also got Align here on the right click menu. So if I click on Align there, it just takes me straight back to the same command, but it says now select components to align. What's happened there is as soon as I've selected that component and then clicked on Align, it becomes the master component. So if I want to align something now, I now have to go and pick it and it will align with that master component that I've selected, which is the LT500. So I'm just going to hit escape there a couple of times because I don't need to align. I've already aligned it with that one there. But you see what happens there? You select this component, right click, and when you select Align here, it assumes that the selected component is the master component, rather than when you go to Align up here and you select Align like that, and you've then got to pick the master component you're going to align with. So just be careful of that one. It is a subtle difference, but it's very, very easy to make a mistake. Hit escape there now just to cancel that command, and that's how you align your objects in AutoCAD Electrical.